Hello. I have a tiny Goodwill haul, and then I got a DIY Krampus project. I'm going to show you how I made it. I used some Dollar Tree stuff in it. But first, I'll do my thriftage. This is a tape Mr. RETROS got. Stephen Stills and some bright tape in there?
Yeah.
Yes, I guess it is.
Yeah.
I think. 1964. That must be before he joined those other guys.
Yeah,
Huh.
I don't know.
Huh.
I thought it said 84 on
Oh,
it.
could be.
I think it's
These
84.
crummy. Oh, it looks like could be. I don't know.
Yeah.
I got new bifocals. I can't tell. So that was. I don't know how much they are.
Right over here. Like the
Dollar.
Nobody wants
Yeah,
it.
50 cents. I don't know. I got this. It needs tightening. See, it's got these long screw things. I got this to put my cupboards down, and it needs cleaning too. And it was $3.99, but it's a stainless steel one. I'm going to take it down the beach and put it in the cupboards. The cupboards are kind of deep and weird down there. I'll use this. So clean it and tighten. So that was $3 something. No discounts there, of course. I got this giant brush. This is $2.99, but it's a good brand. It's a Princeton. What are they? 5400F. But it's pretty good. This would be nice to work with, you know, for cutting in and stuff. I think it's pretty good. It's got, and it's like a joke brush.
Yeah.
Big art with a big brush. So it's kind of cool. Comically large brush, but you could actually, I plan on using it. So that's kind of nice. You get some coverage with that. So it doesn't say what bristles are. They feel synthetic. Doesn't, where does it say? It's made in India, but so they could be anything. I don't know. But for $3, that's not bad. And then I got this awesome guy. This was $4.99, but he's got a really great face. I'm not crazy for his outfit, but he might be okay. And I think he's wired. Yeah, he's wired.
Nice.
Yeah. There we go. He's cute. I don't think he's marked. There's no marks on him, but he's pretty good. And I could always put a different outfit on him, but he might be cute this way. Great face on it. Nice sculpt. So that was $4.99. Yeah, drop in. And then I got this. Was $7 something.
Yeah.
This is like the one I have down at the beach. And I ripped this faux fur off and recover it with bark cloth or something. See, I can just tear it off. This one leg is a little janky. Mr. RETROS is going to have to work his magic on it. So we'll see. So it was $7.99, so that's not bad, because these sold for like $20-30 at Home Depot. So that is a good
You can
project.
use that for a wig, too.
That would be a lovely wig, yes, if someone had a really huge head. Oh, I'll show you this. I got this off eBay. This is really awesome. It's a wire tree, or as my grandma used to say, war tree. I'm not going to pull it all down, but it's like a primitive tree, and my plan is to put really oxidized silver ornaments. Really, really oxidized ornaments of this. I got it off eBay. I think it was like $17 or something. I found a good deal on it. So that's waiting in the wings for Christmas. They showed it being used all year with different little things. But I like it a lot. So now onto my Krampus. I don't know if people know who Krampus is. You can Google it. It's this German folk art thing where he picks up bad kids.
Yeah.
And I don't know what.
Hauls them away.
Hauls them off.
For being bad at
For being
Christmas.
bad, yeah, nasty at Christmas. So it's Krampus. You can Google it. I didn't make it up. So anyway, I make little ones that I put on ornaments and I sell them on eBay. So I thought, I'll make a bigger one. This has a piece of 2x2, was it?
Yeah.
Yeah, for the head, and then there's one here for the body, And then I used wire once again, about the same gauge as that, to connect the head to this body. I put a couple of pegs. I just ground the points off on the grinder, stuffed those in. And these arms are bendable with very heavy gauge wire. And I little felt bits. And I used this fun fur, and then I just trimmed it how he looks. I think I would make him, I kind of loosely based it on somebody's pattern on the internet, but I think I would do it different. See, here you go. You can kind of see. Those two go into that body base, and these are just dowels that I ground off and painted and drilled holes. And then this is a piece. So this tail helps him stand up. See? So that's how that works. And then just a piece of trim, the vintage trim I had. This is more red felt. Then I made this basket. This is from that Dollar Tree burlap roll of trim. And then there's like a little, and let me get one, I'll show you. They sell these at Dollar Tree too. You get a stack of these little...
Oh, he sure is cute.
Yeah, isn't he nice? So friendly. You get a stack of these at Dollar Tree for $1. They're for like little nut cups or something. That's the base of his bucket, his kid bucket. And just covered up. And glued it onto this stuff here. Oh yeah, I made the face out of Fimo. Just, yeah, you can do any old kind of face you want. The one that they usually have a big, long, icky tongue. It's like, ugh,
Yeah, too long.
it's just so icky. I don't want to do it. So that's my face. And then this is his victim. And
Bad
kid is really sorry now. This is just
getting hauled away.
a bead, a wooden bead with a piece of wire. I wrapped the wire with chenille to cover the wire, and these are just little beads for his shoes. And his body was an egg shape, and just drill little holes. And this is just some fun fur, and then just painted it. And he sits in his basket. See, if I can get him in there like it is. See. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to be so nasty. It's too late now. Krampus has got you. So, oh, and this is just some chain I had. I don't remember why he has a chain. I guess to grab the kids.
I don't know. Just to be a badass.
I guess. The movie was cool, the Krampus movie. And just some bells, for this Dollar Tree bells. And I had, it's a mixture of, and then I just did a thing like this, like little loops to put over here. And then I just sprayed it real fast with some black spray paint to kind of age it real quick. And and then these are the switches. I cut these from the yard to switch those bad kids.
Right.
So he gets the switches ready. You know, like seeing this wouldn't be bad enough.
Yeah, right.
You need to get switched
Just take him
too.
off to a dental appointment.
Yeah. Ugh. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'd rather get switched. Anyway, that's my story on him. So I might make another one someday. I'm not sure. But he's kind of fun in a weird way. So I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Help me.